What is a standard authorization? In this video, I will set out what a standard authorization is and how it may affect you or someone you know. My name is Olivia Allen and I work in the Court of Protection Department at GN Law. A standard authorization is a lawful way to deprive someone of their liberty in order to care for them. So what does it mean if someone is deprived of their liberty? This occurs when 1. They are under continuous supervision and control. 2. They are not free to leave the place that they're in. And 3. That person lacks the capacity to consent to these arrangements. Special safeguards are needed if a person is to be deprived of their liberty. These are called Deprivation of Liberty Safeguards, otherwise known as DOLs, and they can only be used if the person is cared for in a care home or a hospital. Now, before the person can be lawfully deprived of their liberty, the care home or hospital where they are staying must get permission from the relevant authority, most commonly the local authority. So, this is called applying for a standard authorization, and it will only be given if it is assessed to be in the best interest of the person who lacks capacity. If a standard authorization is given, it will do 3 things. Firstly, it will name the place that the person who lacks capacity will be looked after. Secondly, it will say for how long it will last, most commonly up to a year. And thirdly, it may attach conditions such as that the person will have access to the community. Also, if a standard authorization is given, one key safeguard is the right to challenge it in the Court of Protection. I address this in the next video in the series. So to conclude, if used correctly, a standard authorization under the Deprivation of Liberty Safeguards is there to protect vulnerable adults who lack the capacity to consent to these arrangements in circumstances where they are deprived of their liberty. You should now have an understanding of what it means to be deprived of your liberty and what a standard authorization is. Though finally, please remember that the Deprivation of Liberty Safeguards scheme will be changing in October 2020, and we have other videos on the new scheme which you may find helpful. If you need help and advice on this or any other Court of Protection matter, call me today on 0208 492 2290. And if you found this video helpful, please share it.